Very good morning to you all. Dear students, today we are going to study the new version of the MS Word, that is Word 19, that is covered in your syllabus. So, the basic difference between the MS Word 10 or the MS Word 19 is that it is the successor of 10, 13, and 16. It has so many other features that are not present, that were not present in the Windows or in the Word 10. For example, the ribbons and all, some drawing tools also. So here we will discuss that what are the basic difference between these this version of the Word and the other versions. So you can show and hide the ribbons in the Office. So we can set the Office performs to keep all the tabs and commands in the ribbon visual all the time. While you are working previously, you are bound to see the ribbon in front of the Word window each time, but right now you are not compelled to do that. You can minimize that. Here with the underline, you can say the where is the written Olga is there, and there is a symbol is over there, so it can collapse your ribbon or expand your ribbon. Both you can do. Show the ribbon all the time is not necessary for you. At the top right, click the ribbon display, and it will open a pop-up menu, and then is the auto hide ribbon, automatically hide ribbon, hidden ribbon. Show tabs, it will display the only tabs, and show tabs and commands, it will display the commands as well as the tabs. There are three options you can see over there. So while you click show tabs, it only click it will display the tabs only, the graphic commands only, not the text command. So it's your choice how do you want to display your screen. And if the ribbon is not visible, then you will see these 3 points over there. You can see with the pointer are indicating. They are probably have to see it auto hide, and click more icon that is indicated by the 3 dots at the top right of the screen. This will restore the ribbon. So in what is the new in the Word 19? So the tools for the easier reading, more natural writing, and ability to communicate and absorb information. You can speak up there with the facility of mic, and it can type your whatever you speak. Enhanced drawing and handwriting tools. So many drawing tools are there that you can use. You can choose the colors, you can choose mixing the colors, and also one more thing that you will be glad to know, that the Word now support LaTeX syntax, that you can type mathematical equations also in the Word. In the previous version, you have to include some, or you have to borrow some other features inside the Word, but right now it inbuilt in the Word. So this is the new in the Word. Or one more thing is that you can add icon and SVGs. So add icons, you can see here is a window of Word 19. So there are so many features here indicating that quick access toolbar, menu bar, title bar, minimize, maximize, close buttons, sub menu bars is there, dialog box launcher is there, document page is there, and the scroll bar. So here are the common tools that the Word indicates. Here while we indicate the drawing tools, so you can change the colors, apply effects, and change them up to suit your need as per you know. So scalable vector graphics is SVG is scalable vector graphics. So you can add the mixing of 2 colors up to your, and you can also give the scale to that. So these are the basic features that is the provided by the Word 19. I hope you will like it and will try to use it. Word 19 is freely available on so many platforms, so you can download it and use it. So try to download and draw this last window that I am indicating here, add icons and SVGs, into your notebook. For rest, we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.